Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's on tutorial. In this video we are discussing about assignment 1, solution of data analytic with Python. Here you can see that the first question is a statement. Descriptive analytic is the conventional form of business intelligence and data analysis. True or false? So the explanation of question number first is here. Descriptive analytic is the conventional form of business intelligence and data analysis. So the correct answer is question number first is option number A, true. Question number second, which of the following is not an example of predictive analytic? First, linear regression. Second, time series analysis and forecasting. Third, bar graph. Fourth, data mining. So the explanation of question number second is here. Example is first is linear regression, second time series analysis and forecasting, and data mining. So the correct answer is question number second is option number C. Bar graph is not an example of predictive analytic. Question number third, state true or false. Statement: data can be numerical and categorical but cannot be continuous or discrete. True or false. So the explanation of question number third is here. Type of variable या data is categorical या numerical and numerical is discrete and continuous. So the correct answer is question number third is option number B. Question number 4, which of the following is not an example of ratio data? First, height, year. Third, age. Fourth, weight. So the explanation of question number 4 is here. Ratio scale is an order scale in which the difference between the measurement is a meaningful quantity and the measurable have a true 0 point. So the example is weight, age, salary. So the correct answer is question number 4 is option number B, year. Question number 5, which of the following is a command to have a message appear on the screen? First, print. Third, input, write, and message. So the correct answer is question number 5 is option number A, print. Question number 6, what is the output from the print function is this? So the correct answer is question number 6 is option number A. Question number 7, median is not applicable to first ordinal, second interval, third nominal, fourth none of the above. So the explanation of question number 7 is here. Median is not applicable to. So the correct answer is nominal. So the correct answer is question number 7 is option number C, nominal. Question number 8, state true or false. Statement: data can be generated by machine but not by human. True or false. So the explanation of question number 8 is here. What is generating so much data? Data can be generated by human, machine, या human machine combined. It can be generated anywhere where an information is generated and stored in structured या unstructured format. So the correct answer is question number 8 is option number B, false. Question number 9, which of the following is not a classification of data analytic? First, diagnostic analytic. Second, descriptive analytic. Third, predictive analytic. Fourth, prescriptive analytic. So the explanation of question number 9 is here. Classification of data analytic: first, descriptive, diagnostic, predictive, prescriptive. So the correct answer is question number 9 is option number B. Question number 10, for getting third, second, fourth and seventh row of data file df in Python programming we can write. So the correct answer is question number 10 is option number D. So thank you guys. We will meet in the next video.